Hey, how's it going? It's Jason Eichmiller, reverse mortgage expert, and this is going to be a very short, quick video, but it's going to showcase the absolute power of my favorite aspect or my favorite part of the reverse mortgage program, the line of credit, and specifically, it's going to show the power of the line of credit growth feature. So this is me right here. Let's get me off the screen so you can actually look at some numbers because that's what's really important. So you can see on my screen right now that we've got an amortization schedule and it says annual projections. And this one was run, I believe I ran it on Friday. So it's about the same today as it was Friday. By the way, today is November 28th. Friday was November 25th. I can do math. So what we want to do here, and I just grayed out the borrower name right there. But we're looking at a 69-year-old maximum claim amount, meaning home value of $970,800, and their house is actually worth about 1.3. But we're getting the reverse mortgage line of credit, and if you've been with me for a while, then you understand that whether your house is worth $13 million or $978,800, that's the maximum loan size with the HECM. So we put that maximum claim amount, meaning home value of $970,000. The principal limit means what they can get. So you've got $359,196, and it's based on a 69-year-old's age. And we're paying off two mortgages with this of $192,000, and the rest of the money is going to be in that line of credit. So if we look down here, you'll see end of year projections. You'll see line of credit, year one. It actually starts lower than that. The initial line of credit. Let's look up here. It's $127,988.95. After 1 year, it's going up to $137,692. So you're seeing, look at this column, you see it grow. 5 years, it goes to $184,441. And let's remember this $127,988. At the end of 10 years, this line of credit has more than doubled. So it went from $127,900 to $265,700. Then what happens to this $265,700? Well, after another 10 years, so 20 years into it, it doubles again. Pretty daggone cool. So here's how it works. Every single reverse mortgage line of credit has a growth feature. The growth feature equals the interest rate plus the ongoing mortgage insurance. So it is 7 point, I'm just calculating it out in my head, it's 7.98%. Now, as the rates go up, which they should do long, kind of short term, that line of credit will go up. So let's say the interest rate plus the MIP equals 8.5. Well, then this line of credit is growing at 8.5. And let's say in the future, what I expect it to do is eventually I expect it to drop a little bit. So if it goes down to say 6%, then instead of growing at 7.9%, it's growing at 6%. So you'll see that the growth will speed up a little bit and slow down a little bit, but that's kind of hard to project. We can't really do that. But what I wanted you to see is I wanted you to see the absolute power of this line of credit right now at this very instant, which again is November 28th, 2022. So I'm going to put my face back on the screen here, see if it works. There you go. You got me in my Florida hat. So listen, this is a very good time to get a reverse mortgage if you're looking for a reverse mortgage. If you're looking for a line of credit growth, the line of credit, the growth, I've never seen it like this before. So you're going to, if you want to set your line of credit, if you're fairly young, and you just want to let it grow forever and ever, amen, and only use it for an emergency or home health care. I mean, this is where the line of credit is going to grow the highest. Similarly, for people who've gotten reverse mortgage lines of credit in the past, if they understand it, and if you're my client, then you do, you have seen this reverse mortgage line of credit. You've seen, if you pay attention to your reverse mortgage statements, you've seen it just go out of control. You've seen almost 8% annual growth, which again is way higher than it ever has been before. So anyway, I'll leave you with one more kind of fact, and I'm not a CPA. I cannot advise you on taxes, but I've talked to enough of them in my, 14 years of doing this, that the growth on this line of credit, and I'll show you this right here. The growth on this line of credit is actually tax-free. Why is it tax-free? It's tax-free because you're actually borrowing the money, and eventually it will be paid back when you either sell your house, you pass it to your kids, they get it, and the kids sell the house or refinance it. That's when the interest becomes due. And that is why all this growth, you don't ever get taxed on it. So hope this makes sense. If you want to get in touch with me, I'd be glad to speak with you, glad to kind of hear your needs, hear your scenario, and help you figure out if a reverse mortgage makes sense for you. And then kind of we can dive deep onto, in your specific situation, how it will work specifically for you, not anybody else. We can run these line of credit projections, or if you need cash or you need monthly income, whatever it is, we can make sure, like what I like to do is mold the program or fit the program around what you need it for. So my contact information is below. My name's Jason. Call me at 888-309-9705. You know how to email me. You know how to visit the website by now. But man, I'd just be more than happy to help you. All right, that's it. This was short and sweet. Hope you got a lot out of it. And if you need anything, you know how to holler at me. Bye.